Hey guys, my name is Ismerai. I am 16 years old and I'm going to be teaching the lesson for today. Sister Betty asked me if I could or would like to teach the lesson for you guys, and I agree. And here I am. So today the lesson will be about Noah and the flood, and we'll be able to understand the importance of being obedient to God. So we're gonna read. It tells like the whole story of the Noah and the flood, if you haven't heard it before. Genesis 6:9 through 7, and it says this. This is the genealogy of Noah. Noah was just a man, perfect in his generation. Noah walked with God, and God begot 3 sons, Shem, Ham, and Japheth. The earth filled with violence. So God looked upon the earth, and indeed it was corrupt, for all flesh had corrupted their way on the earth. And God said to Noah, the end of all flesh has come before me, for the earth is filled with violence through them. And behold, I will destroy them. Make yourself an ark, and this is how you shall make it. The length of the ark shall be 300 cubits, the width 50 cubits, and the height 30 cubits. So what do you guys think? Do you guys think this ark is small, medium, or extra large?
From what I remember, in the Bible it said 300 cubits, and for me that's big, so I say it's extra large.
Do you think the ark is huge or is it small?
Huge.
Why do you think that?
Because it says on the Bible that the ark was huge.
On a Bible that has pictures?
Yes.
Make a window for the ark, and you shall finish it to a cubit from above, and set the door of the ark in its side. You shall make it with lower, second, and third decks. And behold, I myself am bringing flood waters on the earth, to destroy from under heaven all flesh, in which is the breath of life. Everything that is on the earth shall die, but I will establish my covenant with you, and you shall go into the ark, you, your sons, your wife, and your sons' wives with you. Every living thing of all flesh you shall bring 2 of every sort into the ark, to keep them alive with you. You shall be male and female. Of the birds after their kind, of animals after their kind, and of every creeping thing of the earth after its kind. 2 of every kind will come to you to keep them alive. And you shall take for yourself for all food that is eaten. And you shall gather it to yourself, and it shall be food for you and for them. Thus Noah did according to all that God commanded him, so he did. What animals do you think went in the ark? Name any animal you wish.
Elephants, birds, and dogs.
Do you wish go to Noah's ark?
Giraffes. Lions. Birds.
Chapter 7 now, the great flood. Then the Lord said to Noah, come into the ark, you and all your household, because I have seen that you are righteous before me, In this generation you shall take with you 7 of each of every clean animal, and male and his female, 2 of each animals that are unclear, a male and his female, also 7 each of birds of the air, male and female, to keep the species alive of the face of all the earth. For after 7 more days I will cause it to rain on the earth 40 days and 40 nights, and I will destroy from the face of the earth all living things that I have made. And Noah did according to all that the Lord said and commanded him to do. So basically the whole passage that we just read talks about a man called Noah. And God commanded Noah to build an ark and to gather all animals that live in the earth and to gather his whole family so that they can survive the 40 days and 40 nights that it was gonna rain. Because if they didn't go in the ark, they would all die. So what do you guys think would have happened if Noah would have not listened to God?
I think he would die with the rest because he didn't listen to God, and when you don't listen to God, bad stuff
What would happen if Noah would not listen to God? Okay, now let's put it into our lives. If we have homework and the teacher gives us directions to do homework, and you decide not to read the directions and not to do the homework, what do you think is gonna happen? So then the same thing goes with God. If God tells us to do something, for example, go pray for this one person that you see on the street that you don't know. Many might not want to do it because that's weird. Like, I don't know that person. Why would I want to go up to a random person that I don't know? Many parents have said, don't talk to strangers. And that's good. But then, if it's coming from God, then God has a reason for it and a purpose for it. You might not know what that stranger is going through. He might be going through the worst thing ever, and you coming up to him and praying for him can change his whole life. But if you would have not done that, he would have been bad still and through a lot of bad problems, and God would have been upset with you because he commanded you to do something, but you didn't do it. So, I highly encourage you guys to obey God, to get closer to God, so that you can hear when God commands you to do something. And we're gonna end the prayer. Now let us close our eyes. And don't be afraid. We're here. I'm here, David's here, and Johnny's here. We're all gonna pray together. Okay, close your eyes. Dear God, help us today, Lord, and let us understand your word, Lord. That everything that you put us in our hearts, we do, and we get out of the comfort zone. Help us, Lord. Help someone that's on the street, Lord, that don't know about you, Lord. Help us to draw closer to you, Lord. We want you in our lives, Lord. Thank you, Lord, for everything. Amen. Thank you for attending this lesson. And I hope you have a great day. Thank you. Bye.
Bye.